All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at Pro here. So, Pro is a low market cap Web3 real estate token. I think it tokenizes the use of crypto and Web3 to buy real estate, from what I gather. So, it could make a nice move in the next bull run. It's making a nice move right now. So, hopefully, you guys are taking profit here because this thing tends to turn into wicks all the time and come back down according to the Coinbase chart I am on. I believe this thing has been out since 2018, 2017, but you can see here on the Coinbase chart, it's been just going down since, what is this, early of 2022, January of 2022 here, according to this chart. So it's been going down for a very long time, and like I said, every time it has a giant wick, it goes sideways and eventually down. It's just been going down since for 2 years now, or over a year now, not 2 years. So switching just to the most recent price action here. If you're invested in this thing for the next bull run and you do think the low market cap is going to help in this thing flying to the moon, so be it. But when you have pumps like this, hopefully you guys are taking profits to buy back in when it comes back down to lower price targets. So with that said, so the fib drawn on the chart from the high to the low here, you can see that we are over the 200-day moving average at the moment, the 786, the 618. So technically, if this does turn into a giant wick and you pull back, to remain bullish here, you need to hold on to the 44-cent level. So you could potentially drop about 10% and still be extremely bullish. And to hold on to your bullish status, you really want to stay over the 618 here at 38. That is about a 21-22% drop. So 44 and 38, if you can hold these, you could potentially bounce and start moving higher, or maybe you bounce and hold these as support and actually, start going up instead of going down continually. So we'll see how it plays out. So just watch those two prices there. And the 38's the big one to watch. If we draw a fib from the low to this spike here, you can see the 618 is at 38 also. So 38 is your price ultimately to hold, and you're still considered bullish, and you will continue sideways or push higher. Nobody really knows. So with all that said, if we switch out to the weekly chart, one last thing to show you guys. If we switch out to the weekly chart and we actually draw a downtrend on this thing, you could say, or you could make the argument that besides the one spike out of it, that you have the argument that you broke your macro downtrend here. As you can see here, all the touches it has, besides this one poking out here. I'm trying to get it just perfect here, but that's not possible. You can see what I mean here. If this candle holds and you stay above this, it looks like you stay above 31. If you can stay above 31 or so, 30 cents on Pro here, then you may have a shot at breaking your downtrend that you have been in since January of 2022 here. And like I said, on this smaller time frame, maybe you're going to start finally going up. So we will see if that is going to be the case with Propy here. But like I said, if you're invested in it for the long term, so be it. But just know when to take profit and when to buy back in. So just watch 44, 38, and ultimately about 30 cents. If you can hold on to 30 cents, then you're potentially going to hold and break that downtrend and start going up finally. And maybe that is the case, like I said, because we are getting closer to the halvening, closer to the bull run. So some of these things are going to start their journey to breaking downtrends and starting to grind higher. But like I said, if you come down here and you take out 44, 38, and 35 and 30, then you're just going to continue the path that this thing has been on for all this time. And you're just going to have these spikes to the upside, and you're just going to come down, spike, sideways, down, spike, and you can potentially hold 38 or 35 here, go sideways, and then go down. So that is a possibility. So that's why I say, hopefully you guys do take profit when these things pump to the upside here. So we will leave it at that on Pro, and we'll see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.